Always on display not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users are complaining that always on display is not working in their iPhone while it is turned on in their iPhone. So in the short video today I'll tell you how you can solve this problem on your iOS device. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, let me show you that my iPhone has always on display enabled, but when I lock my iPhone, the screen goes black and always on display doesn't work. So guys, you can see that always on display is on and still the screen is completely locked, means black. So how to fix this problem? To fix this, close the setting app first. Then open it again. Now go to battery. Tap on that. Here you will see low power mode option. You have to turn it off. After turning off the low power mode, now go back to the display and brightness and make sure always on display is enabled and then lock your iPhone and see if it works this time. So you can see that the screen is locked, but this time always on display is working. So guys, to solve this problem, you just need to turn off low power mode in your iPhone and always on display will start working.